So hello friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get all mobile apps, mobile games, mobile everything onto your PC. So to do that, you will need to get an emulator. Emulator is a application or software which allows you to get mobile things on PC. To do that, there are many emulators like Nova, which I have installed, Nox, and then I'll just go delete that. I have come to know that you get better emulators than this. So it's not bad like Nox. Like I'm not saying bad to Nox, but just that I don't want Nox. So where did Nox go? With what? Programs, programs and features. Nox app. Yeah, I just want to delete it, and I want a new one. So that's the one, and that one is BlueStacks emulator. Over a million people keep that, and Game Loop is also there, which is one thing. But Game Loop is not like so good as both are same, but BlueStacks is the best. Here you can select the operating system and all. Here you can select the architecture. Don't do anything like that. Just directly hit download. Then your download will automatically start in your computer here. You'll get into an exe file. Wait a second, this just install uninstall this. Complete. Thank you. So here your if just control J, your BlueStacks installer has got downloaded. So guys, let me okay, BlueStacks I do have, and I'll make a new folder as BlueStacks where I can save my games and all guys and my apps. So let's go open the emulator one. Right click onto it and don't hit run as administrator anything. Just double click and hit open. You all may say run as administrator, you don't need to do all that. Then you all must have heard that sound. Yeah, it won't be recorded yes or no. If it's recorded it's good, but if you all must have heard that sound, you all must hit yes onto your computer. I just want to install it not in my C drive, in another folder which is known as just I had made one folder for me, BlueStacks. Okay, now hit install now. So guys, there are some things. It will first install 542 MB in your PC. Second, you just log in with your account to anything. So I'll like your Play Store account, I'll show that everything. Just once this goes to 94, 96, 98% no, I'll on the recording. Till then I'll pause it. So I'll just pause my recording guys. Once it goes to 98, I won't change anything. I'll just pause and bring it to the time once it's 98% or something like that. So bye guys and meet you back. And guys, I forgot to remember you that your PC specs will need some. That is like 4 GB RAM. Second is above i3 processor. Third is nothing else. A monitor, good one. And just like these minimum system requirements, i3 processor, version of Windows should be little higher. Windows 7 will work, Windows 8 will also work, but inside that you'll have versions. To check that version, go to WinVer. Most of the people now have Windows 10, just have a 1800 version higher. It's okay if you don't have one, just check for updates type here. And I all know that now guys, Microsoft has stopped giving Windows 7 updates. And if you all want to install Windows 10, Microsoft own website is giving you all to install Windows in your computer. So the download tool and all that is also there. You all can download Windows 10 for free even. Don't worry guys, as you all will need little bit fast internet connection. Well, mine is slow and it will work in slow even. So why am I speaking all this? I just don't know. Just remember guys, there should be minimum specs of 4 GB RAM and a i3 processor or a nice processor. So how to see your RAM and all, go to this PC, right click properties. See, I have 8 GB RAM, 64-bit operating system, and an i5 processor with integrated graphics and boost clock of 3 point. I don't know something boost clock. Who knows? I never tried boost clocking. Second, guys, in your PC, no, you must your Intel technology, which is there. Your Intel technology. I'll show you all the photo, guys. Go into your boot menu, guys, and go do that. BlueStacks will give you all the option as hardware acceleration. You have not on that, so they will show you steps. Also, go into your boot menu, then go into advanced, go into CPU configuration, and on your Intel technology. If you have AMD on your whatever, they'll show you all the videos how to do that after installing BlueStacks. Well, I've on my Intel technology, that hardware something like kind of thing. So guys, just on that, like make a PC proper, like kind of good. And don't and guys, I also made a video on ultimate performance. I'll delete that and make a new one, guys. Just don't go and check that out. Just joking, guys, go check that out too. So guys, hope you all like and subscribe. Why am I saying that now? I'll say it at the ending of the video, guys. So goodbye, I'll meet you all again. So guys, it has almost been downloaded, almost here. Only 2 seconds are left. 1 minute, almost done, guys. You can just skip it to the part where I just see the video. Wait, is it recording OBS? Okay, OBS. Okay, it extracts at the last like 1 second or 2 seconds it takes. Zoop. And then you'll have to wait, guys. Checking your system. Pause your antivirus, guys, which is down here. Hit the arrow. Windows. Actually, I don't feel you have to pause, but you may. Then click onto virus. Go into manage settings. Then real-time protection, off it. Then hit yes. And guys, everything's off. Then just wait for it to extract its files. You all hit here, guys. You all can see this. Turn on. It's telling just wait, guys, for some time till the BlueStacks loads. Okay, I'll just on my this. Empty my recycle bin first. Yes, I would love to do that. Let's just pause this and move the okay, let's extract it because I'm extracting it not on my SSD, which is my Windows drive. I'm extracting it on my hard drive, which will take a lot of time. And it is this file size is of 1 GB or something, guys. But it's extracting, that's why it's taking time. Like if you go into your control panel, I feel control panel, and you check out for programs. I'm going to program and features. You'll check here that you'll have something as you'll have to have like BlueStack written. It's extracting, that's it will take time, guys. Wait. Then you'll guys, that time you'll just go and see what's the file size. I'll put this in my recycle bin. Okay, did it extract? Almost. Okay, here see, guys, BlueStacks has come. You can just put it to your taskbar here. Or cancel. Why am I doing that? Wait, obviously recording. Thank God. So here BlueStacks, you can just put it to your taskbar here. How I put it. This will go, guys. This was the installer. If you want, you can pin that too, but no use. You're going to don't click onto the installer, guys. Always remember, click onto BlueStacks. So I'll just off view and show this. Okay, guys, it's almost installed. So let's just wait. Okay, you can refresh in the middle, guys. So just keep on refreshing. It will take time, guys. Just remember that it will take a lot of time to load. Finishing installation is complete. Then it will launch, I feel, BlueStacks app. And in your first launch, it will take time to load depending upon your PC. And guys, you may be hearing a lot of background noises because rain is falling. I don't feel I will like the noise of my mic now. I'll just make this less. Okay, this much. Got a lot of background noise. So you all can sign in now only. So I am signing in now. I cannot show the sign in process, guys. So I'm sorry. Because the sign in process, I have to show my password and also. So guys, I can show you from what you have to do after the password thing. So I can just show this at least. Wait a second, guys. My password is been showing off, so I'm scared. So okay, guys, I typed my password here. Hit next. Then after hitting next, it will bring you to here. Hit I agree. After this, guys, I'll show you all some settings. And lot of rain is falling heavily, guys. So you almost off this. So guys, you almost like me hearing lot of noises. So now, guys, I'll show you all some cool things. What you must do is go into your settings. Okay, and change this from 1. I'll put it on 1920. I'll put my DPI of my mouse here. No, let's save. Then restart it. so that your PC gives you more much better, guys. No lag and all, and more things. There are more settings you have to do, guys. I'll show you in your settings, guys. You'll go and going to your user no game settings. This will be your cursor. Shortcut no, preferences no. Okay, preferences I feel media folder is there. Standard where it is engine I feel, yep. Direct performance you must give it, guys. And wait guys 1 second. Okay, now guys change your RAM. I'll change it to 2 gigabytes. Depending on your PC, FPS guys this much. Okay, then hit save, guys. It restart now. Again it will restart. Now it's done, guys. Settings which you'll have to do. If you all want put the RAM as it is, because you'll have low RAM PC, it will not work. And if you'll have 4 GB RAM, guys, less, it will work. Games will work, everything, but it will keep on giving you a notification. No, it won't give. But sometimes if you have two, like Chrome you have opened and you have opened this one, so it will give you a notification you are low on RAM. It won't give me. So now you can just download any app you want, and now you have the same account in your mobile, same in your computer. So what you can do, guys, is when you now download a thing from here, no, your game controls which will there, it won't be changed in your mobile. But if you find coins, diamonds and all, it will be changed. Like that it is. Either your game controls which are there, YouTube play won't get changed. So I think I'm downloading a game, Free Fire. Not Free Fire, well I won't download a game now, guys, because my internet pack will get over. That's why. So guys, just wanted to tell you that. So guys, I feel this is all for the video. I had to tell you how much you have to do. So guys, this is all for the video. Hope you like and subscribe for the channel. That will please show some support. Goodbye guys. Bye.